it'll slow down my hurry, settle all my worries when I get it in my wallet. Quit dipping long enough to own a pair of jeans that don't have a ring in the back left pocket. Laughing at myself, admitting when I'm wrong. That's what this good old boy's gonna go out working on. Working on coming to Jesus, kicking a bottle, wrestling with our roots, trying to turn off mama's tears and feel our daddy's boots, shutting up our pride, fixing bridges we burn, learning how to live and learn, keeping our demons down and our trucks up and running, loving them angels sitting pretty in the middle of them, fighting with the man in the mirror till we gone. Yeah, that's what all those good old boys gonna go out working on. Gonna go out working on. Giving more forgiveness, picking battles we're choosing, littlest cussing and losing, my temper and my tools, dialing down my restless, outgrowing my reckless, and my reputation for breaking hearts and rules. Realizing I got what I got for is gone. That's what this good old boys.
Now we got it all taken apart. Old piece. That was just a support. We need that back to put it back on nice and tight. So what we used was the 15 wrench, pliers, sorry. This obviously I showed you was just for that. This slides off of that after you get the cover off. Save those two pieces. If you got new ones, go ahead and junk that. That piece, save it. If you got a new kit, you probably got a new bolt, so junk that. Alright, let's get it back together, next one together. Oh yeah, just a little tip. The KYB, the new upgraded one, comes with a 14, not a 15. So get your 14 ready too. Say hi.
What's up?
Thanks for the help. Alright, and to get it back in, I learned on the other side, you gotta slide the piece in. It goes in one of these damn ways. Put it on in. Get it set up nice and straight. And with this I learned, it's easiest. Start with your bolts in there first and line them up. This thing doesn't like to line up. Alright, you gotta pull down on it a little bit. That first one lined up. Boom, gotta keep the pressure. Alright, now just to tighten them on down. Kill it. And that right there is how easy it was. Without recording bull crapping around, it would have been a lot faster. But we got her on. Now to put the tire back on. I'm sure you all know how to do that. Torque is set to 100. Have a lovely day. Hope the videos and images helped.